Our big focus at Tonima is Mahakumbh, sacred city of Prayagraj, is abuzz with spiritual energy as millions of devotees gather at holy Triveni Sangam, which is the confluence of Ganga, Yamuna and the mythical Saraswati rivers. Of course, world's largest spiritual congregation enters its second day today. Of course, yesterday it began with the auspicious Posh Purnima. Lakhs of devotees took the holy dip, seeking spiritual purification and blessings. Today, of course, the focus shifts to Makar Sankranti, the second Amrit Snan, considered highly auspicious.
Right, and the huge crowd on your screens there clearly gives an idea of the massive size, the massive proportion of the gathering that we are looking at. In fact, if we are to believe the official records, around 1.5 crore people had in fact taken the holy dip on day one. And the Akharas will continue their ceremonial bath, followed by discourses from revered spiritual seers and cultural programs showcasing India's rich heritage. Right, let's take a look at what Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath had to say today on the auspicious occasion of Makar Sankranti.
इस अवसर पर मैं पूरे प्रदेश वासियों को, सभी संतों, श्रद्धालुजनों, भक्तों को मकर संक्रांति की हार्दिक बधाई देता हूं। मकर संक्रांति भारत के पावन पर्व और त्योहारों की श्रृंखला का एक ऐसा पर्व है जो जगत पिता सूर्य के प्रति कृतज्ञता ज्ञापित करने का एक उत्सव है। पूरे देश के अंदर अलग अलग नाम और रूपों के आधार पर इस पर्व को सनातन धर्मावलंबी बड़ी श्रद्धा के साथ इस आयोजन के साथ जुड़ते हैं।
Let's also listen to what pilgrims and visitors had to say on Mahakumbh.
I feel that it's very peaceful. I feel even with a lot of people, you know, every people is pulsing, you know, the Kumbh Mela. We can really feel the Kumbh Mela inside the bodies, you know.
I think it is very well organized and it is very, very big. And it is so many friendly people. I really like it. I enjoy it.
जितने भी अखाड़े सबका स्नान 40 मिनट का है। 40 मिनट में हमारा पूरा स्नान संपन्न हो जाएगा और हम वापस निरंजनी अखाड़े में आएंगे और हमारे पश्चात जूना अखाड़ा आह्वान अखाड़ा के अखाड़ा आएगा।
जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी, जय जगदीश हरे। भक्त जनों के संकट, दास जनों के संकट क्षण में दूर करे। ओम जय जगदीश हरे।
And my colleague Saurabh Gupta joins us from Prayagraj right now. Saurabh, how's day 2 looking like? Has the numbers increased since yesterday, since it's the first Amrit Snan today?
Well, you know, I mean, it's much colder, I would say, Tonima, but that hasn't deterred the devotees from coming in and taking that holy dip. You know, the sadhus, the akharas are all going one by one to Sangam to take the first dips, and followed by, you know, the public. And obviously, this is the first Amrit Snan, like you mentioned, and it's a very auspicious day. The Kumbh itself, like you were saying, is steeped in, you know, and rooted in history, you know, in also a lot of faith, old world belief, and that is something that has seen it through the generations. But even today, it has resonance with devotees. It is the world's largest congregation, and not just devotees. There are tourists coming in, there are photographers coming in, there are vloggers coming in who want to capture the essence of what the world's largest human gathering looks like. The Kumbh Mela is taking place for the next couple of days. The UP government expects around 45 crore people. You know, everyone we've been speaking to has observed that there's been a marked improvement in the way the facilities have been provided or in the way the crowds are being managed from earlier years. But what we are also seeing is that a lot of devotees are coming in. These devotees are taking the dip. Behind me also they're taking the dip. There's a bridge behind me where of course the akhadas are coming in from and Naga sadhus are coming in from. In fact, if I can just try and give you a glimpse of the Naga sadhus and the akhadas who are coming in on that pontoon bridge right now to take the dip at the Sangam. And this is of course one of the akhadas and led by holy dip, the Sangam right now, and behind me you can see the entire bridge full of sadhus, and these sadhus are the first ones who will be taking that dip. Spectacle as well, visual spectacle.
All right, Saurabh, we seem to have lost that connection, but we will keep coming back to you. All the sadhus are lining up to take that holy dip, Tanima. But also, let's get you this ground report that has been filed by our reporter, Sikta.
The Amrit Snan formalities have begun since morning and there is a lot of excitement in the air. Right behind me, you can see the bridge, which is been blocked only for the akharas to cross over and go towards the Sangam Ghat for the first Amrit Snan. And the crowd you see on the bridge are the akharas, the sadhu and the sants, and who are going towards Sangam Ghat for their first Shahi Snan, which is now called the Amrit Snan. And while the other devotees, the other local people who are here for their holy dip, they're supposed to take this dip on these temporary ghats which has been made for the regular Shraddhalus and the devotees who are reaching here. There are a lot of other tourists and researchers and many more who have come here to experience this magic of Kumbh. With me is one such person. Where are you from?
I'm from Delhi. My name is Keshav.
And is this your first trip to Kumbh?
Yeah, it's my very first time at Kumbh, and that's so with Mahakumbh. I'm very excited.
Right behind you, you can see the akharas and they are going for the Amrit Snan. So when you see these visuals, what do you feel? What is your experience?
I feel very organized, and I feel this is my Hindu culture, and it starts with akhada as a protection sword. They are of my Hindu culture, and I see here in Mahakumbh, I can witness them.
There are many more bhakts also here for their holy dip. आप कहाँ से आई हैं? आपको
बिहार से।
बिहार से आई हैं? आप पहली बार आई हैं या आती रहती हैं?
नहीं, पहली बार आई हूँ।
क्या सोच कर आई थी? कुंभ क्यों आना है?
कुंभ इसलिए आना था क्योंकि मैंने पहले भी सुना था यहाँ प्रयागराज संगम में नहाना चाहिए।
Right, so you can feel the excitement which the bhakts, the pilgrims who are gathering here for the Makar Sankranti Amrit Snan with bhakts, the saints, the sadhus and the sannyasis are also all set for the Amrit Snan.
And we have my colleague Ranveer Singh also at Prayagraj along with Sikta and Saurabh. Let's take a look at his report now.
On the occasion of Makar Sankranti, a huge crowd of devotees has gathered at Sangam, and this is the visual you can see. A huge number of devotees from across India, not only from India, from foreign also. A huge population of devotees has arrived here at Sangam to take holy dip on the occasion of Makar Sankranti. I am here and you can see this is the crowd which has taken bath, and after taking bath they are returning to their places, and this number is showing that this is going to be the biggest gathering on Makar Sankranti, and today UP government is expecting more than 3 to 4 crore people will gather on the occasion of Makar Sankranti, and on Mauni Amavasya, which will be on 29th January, a total number of 8 to 9 crore people will be gathering here to take holy dip at the ghats of Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati. So I'm here in Prayagraj near Sangam, and you can see on the one side the saints, the sadhus, the sannyasis, they are taking holy dip on first Amrit Snan, which was called Shahi Snan before, but now it's called Amrit Snan, and this is the crowd which is which belongs to common people who have arrived here to take holy dip, and you can see the excitement of these people. They came from across different states, and they are so excited that they had taken bath on the occasion of Makar Sankranti. So this is the first Amrit Snan, and people is obviously they are excited, and they have came from different places, from different caste, creed, and you can see there's no division in is this crowd. No one is asking for their Aadhaar cards, no one is asking for their names, for their schedule. कहाँ से आए भैया? हमीरपुर। कैसा रहा स्नान?
बहुत अच्छा मिला, बहुत अच्छा।
यहाँ कोई भेदभाव होता है क्या?
नहीं, बहुत अच्छा, बहुत बढ़िया नंबर है। ओके, एकदम एक नंबर व्यवस्था, बहुत अच्छी व्यवस्था, बहुत अच्छी।
मजा आ गया?
मजा भात आ गया।
आप बताइए।
बंगल से आया।
मजा आया?
हाँ, मजा आया, बहुत मजा आया।